Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. As we continue to explore the HK10 Ultra 3 smartwatch, the 2025 upgraded version, on this video we are going to pair it with its support app. So we are going to install the application on our Android smartphone. This smartwatch is using the Wear Fit application. So we will install that and we will pair the HK10 Ultra 3 smartwatch. So let's see if what are the available features, added features, options, settings for our HK10 Ultra 3 when we pair it with the Wear Fit app. So if you are interested to see the additional features for the HK10 Ultra 3 and you also want to know on how to pair it with the Wear Fit app, watch this video, and again, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Alright, so let's begin and pair it with the support app. So this wearable do have the Wear Fit app. The QR code for the application is also available here in the smartwatch. If I'm not mistaken, I think it's here on the settings. Okay. We can also search it on Google Play Store. So just search the Wear Fit app. So we have here our smartphone. So just go to the Play Store. Then search for the Wear Fit app. Wear Fit. Just search. And we have here the application. Wear Fit Pro. It states here Wear Fit. So based on the logo here, it is using this application. Okay, the Wear Fit. Let's see here at the back. It's available on Android platform. So we have a QR code here, the Wear Fit Pro. So let's start and pair it with our smartwatch. So tap on the Wear Fit. Right now it has more than 10 million plus downloads. Tap on install and let's wait for it to finish downloading. So it is around 110 MB. So let's wait for it. I think it's just going to be fast. As you can see here, our internet connection is good. So 32%, 37, 38, and we have 100% right away. And it's now installing. After the installation, we will try to pair it with our HK10 Ultra 3 smartwatch. And now it's done. So let's start. Let's open the app and pair it with our smartwatch. Okay, tap on open. So let's agree to the privacy policy and user agreement. So we have here the permissions. Permission for the camera, storage, location information, microphone, phone, contacts, call record, and SMS. Tap on I know. And now we are requested to log in and create an account. Okay, so we'll try to create our account with our Google account. Okay, we'll not use our other email. We'll use our Google account here on the Android smartphone. Okay, we already logged in. We sign up using our Google account. So powered by Wear Fit. So we have an instructions here. Add and manage devices. So let's try device. Tap to check out. Add a new device. Post your video. Okay, tap on device. Add device. While using the app, allow. Turn on GPS. We'll turn on our GPS. Then go back. Open again the Wear Fit app. Wear Fit Pro. Okay, I think it's already okay. Add device. Allow to turn on the Bluetooth. Turning on Bluetooth. Then again, it's now scanning the smartwatch. So we have here the HK10 Ultra 3 smartwatch. Okay, then connect. Let's see. Then pairing request. Tap on. Check here.
Connected to start your health journey.
Okay, pair. And select. So we have here our message notifications. So let's try. Turn on. Look for our Wear Fit Pro app. Where's that Wear Fit Pro app? Activate. Allow. Go back. I know. Now it is activated. Just select. Okay, so it has to run in the background. Okay, will not activate that one. And as you can see here, we are already paired with our smartwatch. Let's double check. Devices. We have a watch face market here. Application market we also have here. Wear Fit GPT. Custom screensaver. Local music. Ebook, album, card pack, and let's see this one.
I'm here. I'm here.
Nice.
I'm here.
Okay. So we have an ad here. So notification permission. We'll allow it. Okay, everything's okay. Favorite contacts. Let's add one. Allow. So we'll add Cindy. Okay. Then seems like everything is okay now. Okay. So that's it for the pairing of our HK10 Ultra 3 smartwatch with the Wear Fit Pro application. So very easy. And as you can see here, there's a lot of options for our wearable. We have an ebook here. We have schedule management, camera, voice memo, custom screensaver. We also have that one. Application market and wallet. Okay. So this is the UI of the Wear Fit. So very good so far. Okay, I like the details here. There's a lot of options for our wearable. Again, if you have any questions regarding the pairing of the Wear Fit Pro application with our HK10 Ultra smartwatch, drop a comment below, and of course support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.